Hi, LindaBauwin here from StampingWithLinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. Today is just a quick video to talk about the embossing mats. These mats, I have done videos on them before, but I keep having questions about using them. And what it does is take any framelit or thinlet that normally cuts and turns it into embossing. And when you buy these embossing mats, you get three different pieces. There's a hard white piece, a gray mat, and a blue mat. Everybody's Big Shot is different. Your sandwich, you may find you need to work with it a little bit, but I find my best sandwich is to use the white and the gray mat. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring in my Big Shot. Well, first I'm going to bring in a piece of Flirty Flamingo. This is 4 1/4 by 11, and we are going to go ahead and score it at the 2 3/4, I believe, and let's see, is that what I'm going to score this at? No, I'm going to score this at 1 3/4. This is kind of a Z fold, but it's not a full Z fold, so I'm going to score it at 1 3/4 and 5 1/2. And what I want to do is I want to take those hearts and I want to emboss them on here. Now normally when you use this framelit, this is what you get. It cuts out these hearts. But again, I am going to emboss it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And like I said, the sandwich is a little bit different. What I have is just my platform, and then not the clear, the thin adapter. We're not using that. We're going to then take our clear mat, we're going to put that down, and I find that it's best if your framelits are cutting up. So what I need to do is I want my card to be like so, and I want my hearts to be embossed here. So I'm going to lay this down. I have a piece of washi tape, and I see it's not holding real well. So let me grab another one. Washi tape only works for a couple of times and then it doesn't work so well. So I want to tape that down to show exactly where I want it, because I want to flip it up so the knives are facing up. So I've got my cardstock. Then what I'm going to do is I use the gray mat next, like so. And then I use the white mat. And we're going to run that sandwich through. I find, since I want the knives facing up, that it's best to use the washi tape to hold it in place so it doesn't shift around. And because of using the embossing mats, it does not cut, but it embosses. So when we pull this up, like so, tear my cardstock, I have an embossed set of hearts instead of cut hearts. So check back on Tuesday as I use this card base for my creative fold. Hope you've enjoyed today's tip. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.